you love me, even if it's fake.
What is going on, guys? It has been a little while, but behind me is the C6 Corvette, the Salvage title 2008 LS3 6-speed Corvette that I bought wrecked. It was hit in the passenger door, and it has been a roller coaster to get this thing to where it is today. I think, as far as I can tell, it's done. I think we are finished. I think we can finally put this behind us, enjoy the car a little bit, maybe give it to the next guy to enjoy as well. So, without further ado, let me show you around and let's take a look at this thing. So, this is my 2008 Chevy Corvette C6. It is an LS3 6.2 liter, 430 horsepower, TR6060 6-speed manual transmission. It is a base model car. 18s in front, 19s in rear. It was hit in the door. Tell me I'm wrong. There was some frame damage that had to be repaired, which has been. Previously the roof didn't fit on. The roof is secured down as need to be. I had a black door on here. I had to buy a used door from a local guy, so I had that painted. Let me open this thing up here for you. The rocker panel was smashed in. It was cut down the middle, so I had to splice in a section of rocker panel, have that prepped and painted. Some of the trim was missing, so I had to reinstall some trim, find some, reinstall it as necessary. I reused this original sticker. I just put this on a few hours earlier to this video actually, and it came out better than I expected. This sticker, let's see, the glare on that sticker is crazy. That sticker is the original sticker off of the used rocker panel that I bought on eBay, that I had to cut and splice the new one, the new used one, onto the current one on the car. You wouldn't be able to tell. My body guy, I didn't do this myself. My body guy did the cut and splice on the rocker panel, and he also painted the rocker panel as well as the door. And he did a fantastic job. The paint matches superbly. There was also a crack in the fender right there. There's a crack in the fender. So he repaired that and then resprayed as necessary, and you wouldn't even know. Also, this piece right inside here was all ripped out. So he actually made a new piece there. Now you can kind of see the tape line. Right there's the tape line. But he glued a new piece on there and made his own tab so I could put the wheel liner back on, and then painted that piece. Also, I should add, there was a piece missing here about the size of my thumb, missing right out of the back panel here. So he put a new piece on and prepped and painted that, and you wouldn't be able to tell that either. He did a fantastic job repairing that as well. This rocker panel, if you know from my previous videos, there was a huge chunk damaged right in here, so I bought a new one off eBay in color. Didn't have to be painted, so that was just a bolt-on bolt replacement. That was fairly simple, luckily for me, as well as inexpensive. So this is a 2008. It's got 26,000 miles on it now. I live in North Dakota. I'm gonna drive to Colorado next week, and that's gonna be about a 3,000 mile trip there. And that will put this thing to the test. Let's check out under the hood here. What do you think of that? There's the good stuff. This car is completely factory stock. It doesn't have exhaust, it doesn't have a cam, doesn't even have an intake. It's completely stock, 26,000 miles worth, 2008, so it is 11 years old. Jetstream blue, as I understand it. That's a pretty rare color. One of 2000 something, I believe, made in this color here. I really enjoy the car. I have a hard time keeping cars because I always look to the next vehicle. So with that said, I'm guessing this car will go down the road to the next owner fairly quickly. At the time this video was shot, I am missing the Corvette logo, which goes right there. That is on order. It will be here in a couple days. So that will go on, and then I think, as far as I can tell, this car will be complete. It is the target top, so the roof does come off. I have a clear top with it as well. Not sure if that will go with the car or not. These tops, they obviously have the hardware that keeps the top on. These pieces right here, oh, it's dark, you guys can't see. These pieces right here, that keeps the top on. There's one on that side too, and then there's one on the back as well. And then there's also these rubbers right here that seal. My glass top is missing those rubbers and the pins then that attach the top to the car. So that's why I'm not sure if I'll include it with the car or not. I took the top off one time. I didn't like it so much. I don't like convertibles. I don't like all the noise, all the wind. It's fun for a little while, but gosh, it's just not my thing, you know. So I like to keep the top on. I like my cars dark, so I like the painted top. Some people like the clear top, some people like no top. To each their own. So anyway, I think the car is done. I don't think there's anything else I need to do with it. I don't think there's anything else I need to say about it. So it is what it is. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or get rid of it. If I keep it, I'm going to build it. That's a no doubt. There's going to be some welds going on this thing and a 15-inch spindle conversion. All sorts of stupid stuff that I could just throw money at this car for days. Which is part of the reason why I think I should sell it also, so that I don't dump all sorts of stupid money into this thing. Anyway, blue is my favorite color, and here is a Jetstream blue C6 Corvette. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you later.